The 2025 Honda CB500F is the kind of motorcycle that brings back the essence of pure motorcycling, stripped down and aggressive, but at the same time practical enough for everyday use. Honda has taken a winning formula and refined it once again, delivering a naked street fighter that balances style, performance, and affordability. For years, the CB500F has been considered a gateway into the world of larger displacement motorcycles. But the 2025 model proves that it is more than just an entry-level machine. It now stands as a modern street bike capable of satisfying both new riders and experienced bikers who want something nimble and versatile. At the heart of the CB500F is a liquid-cooled 471 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers smooth yet punchy power. This engine has always been praised for its reliability, and Honda has fine-tuned it to make the 2025 model even more responsive in the mid-range, where most riders spend their time on the road. Producing around 47 horsepower and 43 Nm of torque, the CB500F provides plenty of grunt for city rides, quick highway runs, and weekend canyon carving. What makes it special is the way it delivers power with such ease. It never feels intimidating, yet it offers enough excitement to keep you smiling every time you twist the throttle. The 6-speed transmission pairs beautifully with the engine, offering precise gear shifts and a light clutch feel, which is particularly helpful for beginners. Honda has also refined the fuel injection system for crisper throttle response, making acceleration smoother and more predictable. The bike's ability to handle city traffic while still stretching its legs on open highways is one of the reasons why the CB500F has earned such a loyal following around the world. When it comes to design, the 2025 Honda CB500F takes cues from Honda's bigger naked bikes like the CB650R and CB1000R, incorporating sharper lines, a muscular fuel tank, and a more aggressive stance. The LED headlight gives it a futuristic street fighter look, while the minimalist tail section keeps the design lean and purposeful. Honda has also updated the paint schemes for 2025, offering bold new color options that highlight its sporty character. From the side profile, the bike looks compact but powerful, striking a perfect balance between urban commuter and weekend sport machine. Handling has always been a strength of the CB500F, and the new model enhances that reputation. The steel diamond frame is lightweight yet strong, contributing to sharp and predictable handling. The Showa SFFBB front fork and twin rear shocks provide a comfortable yet sporty ride, soaking up bumps in the city while staying composed in fast corners. With a seat height of just 785 mm, the CB500F is accessible for a wide range of riders, making it friendly for shorter riders without compromising its sporty feel. At just around 190 kilograms wet weight, the bike feels nimble and flickable, which is a huge advantage.